Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS Thanos 10 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on the display here. Now, as you can see on the fourth position, we've got the sleep option, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of options from which we can choose. So we've got either 15 or 30 seconds, which are, I would say, quite short time. Or we can set either 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. As you can see, 30 minutes option is applied currently. What's more, we've got the option never sleep, which means simply that your device will never black out. So you will have to do it manually. So in order to change the sleep time, all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, and as you can see, we do not have to enter this option again to check because it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your ODYS Thanos 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.